So Glenn, thank you for joining me today
You're welcome.
and talking about our SureWave Touchless switches. SureWave is very unique in the marketplace. A lot of installers, when they think about touchless switches, really think about one model of touchless switch. And so what's unique about Camden touchless, SureWave touchless switches compared to the other models that might be available on the market?
One of the things that we worked on to develop and introduce to the market was a range of these types of switches that would meet any application.
Yeah.
All right. So from the battery operated units to fully wired units and everything in between, really.
Right. The sensor technology that Camden has brought to the table is not, we just didn't go and source a off-the-shelf type of sensor and slap it into a
Right,
switch.
yeah.
That was a big part of the development.
Sure. So right off the bat, we knew we wanted to have a battery operated unit available, and we had to find ways of increasing battery life to get our 2-year life, which is what we offer. And one of the ways that we did that was by actually pulsing the light that is emitted from the unit. You can't tell by looking at the unit, but it's several hundred pulses per second, and believe it or not, that actually is extending our battery life.
Accumulates,
versus, yeah. Exactly, versus having it on all the time. There's several patents on our SureWave technology. That's certainly one of them.
Sensor technology is building the life of the battery, but the wireless as well is our own laser point wireless technology, which is unique in the marketplace.
Sure. So this laser point wireless wave switch is part of an entire family of products. We have our laser point hand fobs, the wall switch units. We've got keypad even that's works in this laser point family, as well as several receivers available as well.
Right. Mm-hmm. What other options are available with SureWave?
We look at it as something that the installer can select from the range of products to suit his particular application. And some of the features that we have in this range of products is as you mentioned, a 1 or 2 relay version. With the 2 relay version, we've added what amounts to a door sequencer or a make-break relay into the unit itself that allows you to, say, activate an electric strike and a door operator, or sequence 2 doors in both directions, or act as a type of a light switch.
Right. Well, thank you for talking to me
You're
today.
welcome.